Hello guys and girls, it's Rocky here again with another war command video. Today I'm going to show you how to take down a different type of giant thorium before using Valkyrie schematics and lesser tank schematics. And if you have seen my other videos, I'm using jet fuel propulsions for this type just to show you the difference. It's same old preparation, only difference is I have removed Valkyrie cannon, shows a motor cannon there, and I've added level 1 jet fuel propulsion, which will give me 5% damage to all, and the laser tanks are same all configuration. And let's see how it proceed. In this type, uh, there are two towers, watchtowers nearby to each other, so if you need only to take down one, and with the splash damage, eventually the other tower will come down. So if you can notice, I'm using less number of Valkyries than I used earlier, which was around 20 Valkyries per one watchtower. The adding of level 1 jet fuel propulsion, the number has now reduced down to around 15. Now I've taken down those towers. After taking down, I'm going to clear out the depot, the Valkyries defending this depot, and necessary other units as much as possible. And the other thing to remember when using Valkyrie schematics is Suicide Vest. If you're using one Valkyrie to attack, say, watchtower, it has some certain of damage, and if you can take two and make sure that all of them just like that hitting the target, you will be given a bonus damage which will reduce the number of Valkyries needed to take down a tower, which is not significant sometimes because sometimes they tend to drop short of target. And before starting over to going towards the depot, I'm going to take out the units which will be a problem to my light riflemen, such as those laser tanks and Hoover tanks. If you can notice in the mind map, there's a vacant area on the left side. I'm going to use that as my approach. I'm going to take down the walls and adjacent units using my laser tanks again as usual. And you need to keep your light riflemen very close to your tanks. In some case, in case say if you misclick, those Hellfire Tyrants gonna fire you 2 missiles, and no time you'll lose your laser tank. And before going further in, I'm gonna use one of my laser tank to kill the Hoover tank at the left side to make sure everything's alright, just like that. And the other thing is, when you're using a light rifleman with these Hellfire Tyrants, keep in mind not to give them orders, to move orders while there's a Hellfire missile coming towards you, because light riflemen do not shoot while they move. And here I'm going to take down hidden units. There are few hidden units in this type of base which could take down your units very easily. What I did is just give the attack mode there to hunt down the enemy aggressively using only one laser tank. So make sure you are doing it very safely, and taking down those stars, approach only from one side, which will minimize the damage. So that's it. That's the depot, and let's see how much of repair time I have taken. It's it's under 7 minutes. So that's all of it, and hope you enjoy it. Good luck.